Huawei intends some big moves this year, and one of these is to build 100,000 Ascend 910C AI chips. The company has already increased its artificial intelligence (AI) processor yield by 40%. Currently, Huawei is aiming to further raise this figure by 60% in 2025. Financial Times shared the report that Huawei is improving its AI chip production. The company has doubled the yield from 20% to 40% of its latest Ascend 910C. On the other hand, it is working to reach the production target of a 60% increase. Moreover, the report revealed that Huawei aims to develop around 100,000 AI Ascend 910C chips and 300,000 Ascend 910B processors in 2025. The company has sent the new AI chip samples to some top tech companies in China, but hasn't focused on its mass production. Earlier in 2024, Huawei built 200,000 Ascend 910B processors. The firm intended to revamp its AI chip production from the first quarter of this year. It seems Huawei is finally coming back to the original chip route. Ascend 910C is said to gain 60% of NVIDIA H100 inference performance. Its enhanced functioning indicated that China will soon eliminate its reliance on NVIDIA.